The fuck, I was blabbering here for quite a while and there was no audio. That sucks. Anyway, today is the 15th of September and today's not the best day, but it's not bad also. I just got some stuffs from the mail, some stuffs from the mail, and also was up this morning till around 5. I was doing a lot of things. I was editing and doing a lot of stuff, and yeah, I just want to tell you guys that yeah, how are you going? And me, I'm not fine. I'm still not fine, and yeah, I'm just geeking it, you know. And oh yeah, one more thing. I just uploaded a video, one of my show reels, like highlights for all our travels. That includes Perth. It's mainly our Queensland travel, but I included some Perth travels, some of the New South Wales travels that we have. So if you have time, just check it out and give it a like, give do some comments and everything. Just be gentle, and yeah, I really appreciate it. Also, yeah, I need to go out get some groceries for today. So yeah, but today is still crappy for me. I hope my future self would see this video and he would understand how I feel and he would just laugh about it because he's okay in the future. Hi, future self. Anyway, September 15th, 2021, 5 p.m. Yeah, was up late and now it's 5 p.m. Anyway, gotta go out.